guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe. I think you already know what we're gonna do. So yeah, today's video is about where I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup routine. So this is the look I will create. बहुत simple look है, like wherever I go I try to do this look only. Of course थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे like very basic products I use and उसी से I create this look. So it's like very natural, no makeup look kind of look. And we won't be even using foundation also. We are not using foundation, just a concealer. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start my makeup by setting my face and spraying the mist and toner. This toner is by Pilgrim. Next up, I'm gonna moisturize my face by this Day Cream SPF. This is also by Pilgrim. And yeah, I just feel like you should moisturize your face before applying the foundation or concealer. Next up, we are skipping the foundation. We are sticking to concealer. This concealer is by NYB. I think the shade is chocolate. Yeah, we'll still confirm in the description. And now I'm gonna use a blush and blend the concealer properly. I always like to keep my eyebrows natural, so won't do much here. Now this time I thought to even use a contour to highlight my face. So using this contour concealer palette, which is by Swiss Beauty. You can even use this palette as a color correctors if you have like acne or dark spots. It has different shades and which gives you a good coverage. So yeah, I love this palette as a good shade. Next up, I'm using my favorite Huda Beauty palette for nude eyeshadow. So we are using a brown and then the darker shade to highlight the eyes to basically give it a color. Next up, using this mascara which is from Maybelline. For the blush, I'm using my lip balm which is from Arcelia Shopper Stop. I feel like lip balms or lipstick give you more natural tint and good coverage as compared to the dry or the original blushes. The original, like we have those blushes. So I feel like I always stick to lipstick or lip balms. I'm using the same lip balm for my lips also, just giving a little shade of red and dabbing it with my fingers. And yeah, using my favorite gloss which is from H&M. I love this gloss. This is so natural and so flavored, and the flavor is chocolate and it is so pretty. Now it's time for highlighting. So we'll use my highlighter stick which is from Inside Beauty, and we'll highlight my cheeks, nose, and yeah, there you go. I think the look is complete, and see how natural and fresh my face looks. We haven't used much products, but the look is so pretty, so simple, and genuinely a no makeup look. So there you go. I'm ready. Guys, I hope you love my today's video. We created this no makeup look. Like this is my generally everyday makeup look, and I just feel like no makeup look is so in trend right now. Like I think this is the look that can go in every outfit. Like whatever you wear, any kind of outfit you wear, this looks so pretty. Even if you're going college or if you're going like a normal shopping or any outing, this looks works totally. And once you go out in the sun, your face shines. It gives you natural all tint and everything. It looks perfect. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm gonna see you very soon with my next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!